If you are planning to buy a $500 budget PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC parts that you should buy for under $500. Let's get started. Now for the processor, I have chosen the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. This one costs around $178. Now this is an excellent processor. You are going to get 8 core and 16 threads, which is insane in this price. And one plus point of this processor is you don't need an external graphics card with this processor, as you are getting a powerful Radeon graphics integrated to the processor. And for the motherboard, I have chosen the Asus Prime B550M. This one costs around $119. This motherboard have everything that you need. You are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCI Gen for NVMe SSD support. Actually, you are going to get 2 M2 ports, so you can use 2 NVMe SSD. A small heatsink over the VRM section, so you don't see any thermal throttling. All the ports that you need, and as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. So for only under $120, it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, I have chosen the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB RAM. This one costs around $41. Now these are one of the most popular and cheapest DDR4 RAM, and those 3200 MHz RAM comes with those excellent heatsink and also lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. And for the storage, you are using Samsung 980 1TB PCI Gen 3 SSD. This one costs around $64. As you can tell by the reviews, this SSD have nearly 16,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, which is excellent. And for only $64, you are going to get an 1TB SSD, which comes with a reliable premium brand like Samsung, and overall it's an excellent deal in this price. And for the power supply, we have chosen the Thermaltake TAF Power 80 Plus Gold Certified 600 watt power supply. This one costs around $59. Now for only under $60, you are going to get an 80 Plus Gold Certified power supply, which also comes with 5-year plus warranty. And as this is 600 watt power supply, you can even add an external graphics card in future if you want to start heavy gaming. So it's an excellent deal in this price. And finally, for the casing, you are using Silverstone Technology Farah H1M. This one costs around $59. Now this one is a very basic minimalistic black casing. You'll get a mesh front, so there will be better airflow, a side tempered glass, and exhaust fan in the back, and overall a budget case for only under $60. Now keep that in mind. Casing is completely up to you. Buy whichever you like. Thanks for watching.